Right. Hello, everyone, and good evening and warm welcome to the National Base Quality Software Awards awareness session. So this is number 2 that we are having at Peradeniya. And we are privileged to have with us today our distinguished speaker and the resource person, Mr. V Kuganathan, and he's the group, actually Janashakti Group's Chief Information Officer, and also the immediate past president of BCS Sri Lanka. And in fact, he has like 24 years of experience in the IT field, and as a seasoned business person and individual, and he has extensive career, notable career milestones. For example, like introducing mobile banking services for NDB Bank, as well as introducing and establishing digital banking services at the HNB Bank. So thank you very much, sir, for joining this session. And this is second time you are agreeing to have this session. And it will be a really wonderful. It will be a really wonderful session for our students, so that they know the rules and regulation of this competition and the advantages of this competition. So the stage is yours, sir. So you can start now.
Thank you so much, Dr. Upal, and for that kind introduction. And so, friends, good evening to you all. Is it audible? Students? Yes. Is it audible? One of the students say yes, then I can continue.
Yes,
hello?
It is audible.
Thank you so much. All right. So, friends, my humble request is to you all is you put your electronic baby to sleep, please. That will be much appreciated, because this is something very important for your life going forward from today onwards. And if you could minimize your other screens, and if you could put your electronic baby, the mobile, to sleep, so that you will have, I won't take much more than half an hour to ensure that you are on the winning stage and you are going to be in the world stage going forward. From now onwards, how you are going to take yourself to the next level. So, friends, for students, why you need something unique award ceremony, why you have to participate, and how this is going to boost your life going forward. So let's see. The reason is why we have introduced this National ICT Awards, is known as NBQSA 2023 for last 25 years, is to bring something unique, something very creative, something innovation, product related to ICT oriented to the local market, and from that to international market. What I show you the video was the last time we had APICTA in Pakistan, Islamabad. See the amount of people are coming from 16 to 20 different countries, from Australia to Hong Kong to Indonesia to up to Pakistan. You're going to meet and exchange your product and services with other friends, and how you're going to increase your marketability of your product going forward. And it's a networking all about. So friends, you're not sipling your seed in Sri Lanka, but internationally you are going to do this one. That is the main purpose. We are making this avenue for you to move forward. So this is the very important of you have to participate in this National ICT Awards. For example, that day I told you, friends, when you come out from the University of Peradeniya, it's a wonderful university, one of the top 500 universities, beautiful place. When you come out from the university, you have software engineering or ICT, data science. So like you, there are other friends having the same qualifications. You can be second upper, first class, second lower, or normal. But if you are coming for interview or anything, how we choose you is how you add extra value to yourself. So this kind of extra value addition only we are going to make for you. For example, you have the normal pizza, just a normal pizza only. But each customers, they like different topics. Somebody like tandooris, somebody like seafood, somebody like vegetarian, somebody like paneer with vegetarian. So friends, you have to understand what is expected from you from the industry. And you have to make yourself for that, what is prepare yourself going forward. So that is why the participating this kind of avenues, these award ceremonies will improve yourself, not only to you, to your university, and to the country when you are going for a big stage winners going to the APICTA also. That is how we wanted to make yourself to ensure that you're always on the winning stage. Friends, I will be going through the very important slides for you. What is all about these National ICT Awards and who is conducting and why you have to participate going forward. Okay, so this is conducted by the BCS Chartered Institute of IT, the professional body of the UK, like SEMA. So we are the professional body. And along with the Ministry of Technology in Sri Lanka and ICTA, we conduct, this is for the National ICT Awards, where we do it every year. So if you take the BCS, it is known as Chartered Institute for IT. We have more than 2,500 members and chartered. If you want to get chartered IT professional qualification, you can go through the process and you can get the BCS qualifications. And those qualifications will be the added professional qualification. When you come out from the university, you have the academic qualifications, but you need a professional qualification. So you can just do a kind of a upgrade from your degree to BCS or CITP based on your experience. So we formed in 1956. We have more than 150 countries at the moment, 100 countries. And these are some of the the Sri Lankan section officers we have in Sri Lanka. Very professionals, well-experienced people are there. You can have networking with them. Professors, doctors, and industry leaders are part of this exchange group. So we have a lot of activities also. Big data analysis activity, early career activity. So you can participate. Please visit our BCS Sri Lanka section or NBQSA.org so that you can see a lot and you can be part of that. But friends, today what we are going to concentrate over here is, it is why we are studying is today is everything is about winning. How we are going to win and to yourself, and how you are going to bring your university to the next level, and how you are going to bring, how you are going to bring the happiness to your parents, and how you are going to bring the happiness to your lecturers, and how you are going to ultimately, how you are going to bring the Sri Lanka flag to the top of the world going forward. So that's all about today we are going to concentrate. So friends, if you take National ICT Awards competition, it is known to, we have two categories. One is the commercial categories, other one is the tertiary. So you will be participating under the tertiary category, but you have the option, because I have seen some of the universities, before students pass out, they have their own company, and you can participate under the commercial category as well. Okay, so we have very specific process, and this time, I forgot to mention over here, we have local things called the National ICT Awards. Then after that, once we are selected from Sri Lanka, you will be participating in the Asia Pacific ICT Awards. This time, it is going to happen in Hong Kong. And there is another opportunity, you can participate in the World Summits Awards also. So friends, this is the seed that you are going to plant today to ensure the success of this one going forward. So there are many objectives. I'm sure you can read it from the website and you can move forward. And our benefits of students is there's an extra recognition for your students and for your Penadina universities. You are going to represent Sri Lanka to the international level. And there is opportunities in Asia Pacific ICT Awards, as you mentioned. There's a biz-to-biz opportunities so that you can explore your product with the rest of the countries, and you can market yourself. So that there will be a lot of market for your product, your unique product and a creative product. You can market now itself, or you can find an investor for that also. So this is the great platform for you to explore yourself going forward. So this is the 2019 where Sri Lanka become the third in the Taiwan. So we were very proud. And so this is the another one, friends. If you take competition categories, there are 3 students categories. Your concentration is going to be here, which is on the green color. We have tertiary, we have business, and we have postgraduate. And you can participate in any of the categories if you are the registered company under your name or by group of friends. On top of that, we have a special category also. IoT of the technology of the year, AI technology of the year, blockchain technology of the year also, we are participating. So friends, this is a great opportunity for you to participate. Give me 1 second. All right. So you have the IoT technology of the year, AI technology of the year is there, blockchain technology of the year, most innovative solution, cloud computing, mobile payment, and special awards. I think if I'm not mistaken, in 2022, you'll be surprised. Uva Sabargama won the most innovative cloud solutions. One boy, he did a super fantastic cloud computing technology ICT product. So friends, nothing is impossible. The first step is very important for your life. So for the students, you will be concentrating on the tertiary student technology, tertiary students business, project, postgraduate students project. This is very, very important for yourself. So I'm just going to concentrate on the categories on the tertiary students. Eligibility criteria is you have to be, you can be first year, second year, third year, or fourth year, or even if you leave from, even if you finish your full undergraduate within 1 year time, you can, as at 31st of July 2023, you can participate in this tertiary product. What we need is we need your signature from either from university doctor, from Dr. Upul or Professor Roshan. So whoever is there has to endorse from the University of Peradeniya, and within the 1 period of first year, you can participate in this tertiary category or business category under the tertiary student. So, friends, just concentrate on yourself. This is a very, very important slide for you all. So, if you want to participate under the technology category, you should have the high importance, the project type. It can be from the computer science, or it can be from the software engineering or information technology, or even you can be from the engineering faculty, but you should have the one subject as a ICT, and we need a kind of a product. If you are coming under the technology, we need to see a kind of a product or solution or ICT or IoT based or smart AI based, some kind of a product where you have to show it to the judges. That is if you are coming under the technology. But if you are coming under the business, you can come, the business is other than the software engineering, those are studying on the major subject from the electronic engineering or electric engineering. From that one subject, you can come under the business, even information technology, ICT graduates, you can come under the business, but you can come as a prototype. You have to show the prototype to us. And focus is based on the applications, technology support, and it's very important from the technology. If the business side, it is a concept or prototype is we looking forward from the business side. And we have postgraduate, the students, those who are doing masters or MPhil or research, they can come under the postgraduate also. And we have special awards also. You can come under the, if you have something solutions which was introduced during the COVID or during the tsunamis or any other disaster recovery solutions, not necessarily what happened in the past. If you have something to addressing the national disasters, those solutions also most welcome, and you can come as a nominate under the tertiary and students, and you can nominate for a special category as well going forward. So, friends, I'm sure one of you all have already having a company, or you have, and you can come as a student ICT Entrepreneur Award also. So, we have seen in the past some university students, they have started their, whilst they are studying the degree, they have the entrepreneurship, business minded oriented, they have started their company and they are doing very well. We have entrepreneurship award also. Friends, these are some of the universities they won in the past. I was looking for University of Peradeniya for a long time, but from today onwards, I wanted to see the University of Peradeniya winning every year. Is it possible or not? Thanks. I want some answers from you. Is it possible or not? Thanks. You wanted your logo to be here in future? Hello? Is it, Dr. Upul, your mic is muted or?
Yeah, my mic is muted, but I think we can hear you, Bill.
Okay, right. So friends, what we want is, we want the Peradeniya University on the top of the list going forward. So these are some of the universities they won in the past, from Colombo to Kalani to Moratuwa to Epic to use name any, but I'm sure Peradeniya will do a change from now onwards. Okay, so these are some of the winners. 2022, gold was on the Planet Hunters. Hence, you'll be surprised. From the IIT last time, our Sri Lankan students, they found a Planet Hunters software. From here, they found a new planet also. We had to be very proud. And Silla was speech assist and road sign was won by the University of Moratuwa with thermal identification, one of the super product. And the speech assist was super product from University of Colombo. From the business was Airplate, where she won in the Epicta also. IIT girl student, she did a project, wastage of the food and how to be a green oriented. And postgraduate also IIT, then Wi-Fi black box testing by the University of Colombo. Again, fashion shopping assistance, like using the image processing and augmented reality with IoT, all three combination. She did a wonderful on the fashion shopping assistant. So friends, nothing is impossible. You have the time to first you do the application process first, then at least you have 1 month, you have about 3 weeks time to come up with the product now. Or you can prepare yourself for the next year also. Okay, so these are winners from the Supracom. I told you the novel technology algorithm for cloud computing. You can come with a unique algorithm founded by you, and which is, if you have some research papers, which is accepted in IEEE also, you can come up and you can show the value addition more towards that. So automatic digital road scoping also is done. University of Moratuwa online real-time suspicious activity location. If I am not mistaken, in 2021, this is used by the Moratuwa University. They did. This is in the ocean. If you take mostly a lot of people are encroaching our ocean limited. So in the thermal detection, they detected. So it was used by the Navy, and it was created and innovated by the University of Moratuwa. So friends, there are a lot of things what done is they are useless. So these are the past winners. Tertiary of Technology from Moratuwa, University of Colombo, Fleet, IIT. So, and business also, IIT and FLIT and University of Morocco, friends, and who are the programmer will be the judging process, friends, is very, very important. I'm going to take you very important to you all. You have to apply yourself to the application forms. That is 3 minutes. You have to do the, we will give you a time, because if you have a lot of items and IoT devices, we will give you 3 minutes to do the setup. Within 10 minutes, you have to do the presentation of your product and little bit of your product demo also, and 5 minutes for the question and answer. And sometimes we will do the 10 minutes for question and answer, and equipment you will create. You can remove after that. Friends, where we wanted to concentrate yourself when you are applying under the technology, please concentrate yourself, your uniqueness, application of the technologies and innovation. We give more marks towards that. And proof of concept, understanding the problem and how you're going to resolve that problem approach. Understanding the business environment, where you are going to apply your solutions in the business world, in the real-time world. And quality, what are the standards you are used, and how your product is stability, if is it going to be multi-environmental, and functionality features on user requirement, whether you are captured nicely, and compatibility, interoperability with different iOS, Android, different web services, web portals. So these are the very important going forward. And we give the marks for your presentation skills and inquiries also. So friends, if you have some difficulties doing the presentation, you can be a creator of your product. You can ask your friend from the same university who is good in presentation to do the presentation on behalf of you, and you can assist during the question and answer. That we allow. Okay, hope that is very clear to you all. And we have, this is for the business categories. We look for application technologies, innovation, but here, how you understood, and we need to see the prototype and some kind of a pilot proposal is there, is much appreciated. You will get more marks. And here also we see the content and standard, user requirement, and compatibility and interoperability. So then we do a kind of awards, and we have a gold, silver, bronze, and merit, and we'll give 3 or 4 merits to encourage the students category going forward. So application submission is very easy. Please, you can log into the NBQSA.org. There's a submit application form is there. You can fill your name and universities, etc., etc. When it's come to the payment, you just upload group payment. You scan it, say group payment, and you can upload it. I will sort it out over here. So Dr. Upul, but because 1,000 rupees is refundable, because otherwise we are wasting our time. So what doctor will do is, if you are going to apply about 30 application forms, doctor will pay the group amount and just scan it and upload it. Then we will refund it to the students those who are applying. And please ensure that what we told is we will come over there. If you have more than 30 applications or 40 applications, first round we will come to your university and we will evaluate, and final 3 we will be posting to the final round. The first round we will come to your university if you have so many application forms. For a postgraduate, 5,000. I'm sure this is clear to you. I will explain to you. Please visit NBQSA.org. Then there is application form is there. Then you have to from where, who is the contact person, if there are team members, add the team members, and add the uniqueness, add the background of your product, uniqueness, innovations, what technology you are using, and submit. At the time of payment, say you're uploading the payment, and you can move forward. And BCS Sri Lanka sections, we have gold winner and silver winners and bronze winners. We will pay the air ticket and accommodation when you are going to Hong Kong this time. And 50% and the 50% of the bronze, we will pay air ticket and accommodation going forward. So this is the Asia Pacific ICT Awards. You can go and see Please note, friends, apicta.org. Go and see who are the past winners and what they are done, how you are going to benchmark your product this time also. Please visit apicta.org. Go and check the tertiary students and see which university, what kind of product they have created, and how you can add value or come with some different solutions where you can win in apicta also. So these are the 17 countries. It is participating this time in Hong Kong, from Australia to Indonesia, Brunei, Pakistan, Japan, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Indonesia. So, but I will tell you, every time Sri Lanka is winning either gold or merit. So our students are more capable. I'm sure this time Peradeniya University also do very well. I have that confidence. So we participate apicta jointly from BCS Sri Lanka section as well as FITIS together. So this is the one I'm going to do a presentation. She won the apicta gold. I'm going to show you the presentation what she made so that you have some idea. This girl who is in the middle. So this is the diabetes. I will show you some of the presentation. So these are the past apicta winners, and every time you can see the gold in 2010 we won, and merit, and again gold we won in 2006. Gold 2007 also we won. So other than we have merit also. So friends, and 2018 we won gold from Sri Jyotirapura University. Again 2019 we won the gold from the university from the apicta, friends. So you should know that how Sri Lanka is capable and our students, and thanks to Dr. Upul and Dr. Roshan Japa and all the lecturers, they are doing a wonderful job to upgrade your skills and your talents. Our Sri Lankans are very talented. Sri Lankan students are very talented, but please, I'm sure this time you have a lot of opportunities to winning. She is a student who won the 2019 invasive diabetes. And this is the students, the middle, who won in the Guangzhou in the 18. He did a AI-based music orientation. So he won the gold in 2018, and this is in 2006 merit. Other one is slit in 2016 merit. So friends, it's impossible for you. Impossible become possible when you make the effort today. So make it possible today. Don't think nothing is impossible. Don't have that mindset. So if you have the positive mindset, today itself, make effort, do some extra work. I'm sure you can be a gold winner going forward. The Peradeniya University, you can bring happiness and the glory yourself, to your family, and to your lecturers, to the university, and to the Sri Lanka going forward. Imagine in front of thousands of people from 16 countries, you are showing your flag. How proud of the nation, as a nation, Sri Lanka, how proud your parents, how proud the Peradeniya University, how proud of your lecturers, and how proud you are going to be in future, and see your marketability. Just think about, dream it, and achieve your dream today itself. So, friends, 5th of July is closing applications, but I'm sure you can do that and you can fill the application forms now. Okay, now I'm going to show you some of the presentations. So I will first show you some of the application process, how you have to do that also, friends. Okay, we had to give a brief introduction about the solutions, just fill it, then uniqueness, okay, then market potential, functional on the features, just give.
Mr.
Okay.
We cannot see your screen.
Oh, sorry. I'm just going to share it. How it is possible?
No, not yet.
Now, doctor?
No. Maybe you are sharing the other screen, maybe. We can see the folders.
sorry, I think what I'll do is I will open the document. Okay. Now,
Yeah, it's loading now. Yeah, okay.
friends, so you had to give the brief introduction, give the brief introduction of your product, and you had to say the uniqueness. You had to tell about your uniqueness, 2 or 3 or 4, why it is uniqueness, and what is the market potential, the functionality and features, and the uniqueness. You had to say, and what are the quality and the application of technologies you have used, the Java or Python or Angular basis or Clips or MySQL, anything you can tell, and brief description of your solutions and the product information. And these are things you have to fill it and you can upload it. Okay. When it's come to the payment, you upload that payment slip. Then you say it will be a group payment slip uploading. So you will just upload one document. That's all. Okay, doctor. The group
Yeah,
one.
Kugan, what type of payment methods we have?
You can do it either through a credit card online, or you can upload the bank voucher also.
Bank transfers, is it allowed?
Bank possible. I'll just check it and I'll call you, doctor, today.
No, sure.
Or tomorrow I'll call you without failing. So this is one of the application forms. Now I'm going to show you the presentation, how you have to do that also. Okay. You see this one now, the presentation?
Yeah.
So friends, this is the presentation done by the girl who won the epic from Sri Lankan University. What made her to do this one is her father passed away due to the diabetes. That motivated her to come up with so she came with a story that motivated her to do invasive method of finding the results of the diabetes. See the way she started the story. So we started with how many people are impacted due to the worldwide and how much they are spending on the global head, and what is a diabetes patient come from low and middle income families. See the way she is making the story. Yeah, that's very doctor is very clear. No, the presentation.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Yeah. And see the regular medicines, how much each family members we are spending, and the complication of the diabetes, how this is impacting, and the results from the survey. Okay, by doing the this is the problem. She's explaining the problem in a very nice way. Then non-invasive blood, it is going to be her presentation. See the way how she is putting the story very nicely. So then she's coming with telling the imagine of living pain-free, safe, smart, economical. And what technology she is using. So here, friends, she is using the IoT and she is coming with the mobile app together. See the standard, how she has brought. So she is bringing the how everything comes together. Correlations between the sweat and the blood glucose. She has done a research component. And from the research components, she is bringing using the GSR sensor and coming with the solutions with the Arduinos and everything. Okay. And these are the instruments she is using for external appearance. This is for to use in the fingers and internal circuit also. Okay. Then she has developed a unique mobile app to show the diabetes and non-diabetes also. Then is showing the diabetes patient how it is accuracy, 91% accuracy, and the model she has taken, and quality and standard she has mentioned over here. And after that, the market potential, how much is going to make, how she can market this product also. And roadmap. What she's going to do thereafter. She's not going to stop now. And yes, see how she's marketing herself. Here you can tell that you have done a research paper in the IEEE and you have appeared in universities also. You have participated in the forums. And here, say thank you. And uniqueness she's mentioning here. And after that, she's mentioning the demo. And demo, she can do it in 2 minutes. So this is the one of the presentation model for you. Then I'm going to show you another model of the students who have done the music, AI-based music. Okay. Is it clear? Doctor, is it visible?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the friends. This program is AI based. You know that most of the composers they having a difficulties changing from the music code to automate. So he has done a kind of a composer automated musical note generation based on lyrics with recurrent natural networks using the natural languages. He has done it. So what makes us truly human? That's the questions. The unique characteristic of human is humor, imaginations. See the way that the story was told to the judges. That means you are going to sell your product and your solutions to the 5 judges or 3 judges, and you are going to market yourself. So you are going to be a marketer, what you have created. So if you have the difficulty to do the presentation, you can call somebody in your friends and ask them to do, or you can join together and do the presentation. That is how you have to be a extraordinary. What you have created, you have to take it to the judges also, friends. So please spend a lot of time, and that will have a lot of impact life going forward. Even if those are students from first year, second year, third year, please prepare yourself. If you have not ready this year, at least be ready next year. Prepare yourself. This is the product I'm going to come up. From this, I'm going to do my startup, my company. I'm going to be a entrepreneur. So have that roadmap and have that strategic plan, implement. So can we give musical creativeness in artificial intelligence? How to use the AI on that? So different from the musical, how he is different from the other traditional things. So he's explaining over here. And what can be gained by doing so? What is the advantages we are going to use using this technology? So market gap. What is the gap between the traditional and here? So how this is the problem solving approach here. He's coming up. Then he's coming up with the how does it work? Now here, object is my heart is like singing, but this is the song. So he's converting the music melody sheet. So you can see the code. Then how it was the overview of the systems. So he is using the 2 AI algorithms, LSTM encoder and LSTM decoder model, and interfacing with the tools and training on the data corp. So you have to train by past behavior, you have to train. After that, it will happen between the encoder and decoder methodology. So this is how its training work. So it is showing how the different gates and everything is interoperability and how it is interfering the work is happening. So he is separating the technology. What makes this unique? He's explaining on that features and functions, melody and transition generation, play melody instantly, download melody in MIT format. Okay, so cutting edge, ability to preserve the musical talent and uniqueness of a formal musical. So those who compose in a Swedish, the Laving C and everything is a big. You can hear that you can recompose those songs in a real world. Now it is a part of the chat GPT AI. It is using certain components from here, friends. Doctor, some of the components are used from here, doctor, for chat GPT music composers.
Okay.
That is a uniqueness he has brought it. And he is very important, friends. See, he is doing this is how you are going to be attract the judges. Why your product is something different from the rest of the people. he has brought a matrix. What is a matrix? He is comparing what? Comparing with other products available in the market. Mark, Alicia, and composite product. What is the approach? Integrators musical knowledge, device platform, language. So he is telling his composer, it is fulfilling two things. So because of that, his composer is much better than two other things. So this is how he is marketing his product to the judges. This is very important when you are doing a presentation to the judges. It's called matrix form, your comparison and your exposing. So market segmentation. So those who are entering into the market also they can use, or experienced people also can use. See the way he has represented. Very important thing. And where does composer stand in terms of quality and standard? He is bringing the cross-industry standard process and data mining. IEEE standardization he is bringing. Quality and standards he is bringing on the port. And he did a demo in very public for judges and questions. Within 10 minutes, he did a presentation. So, friends, so I'm sure I have shared some of the insight about the National ICT Award. And Dr. told me you have exams, so I don't want to make much of the time. Friends, start today now. What you're going to do it? First, you are going to visit nbqsa.org and you're going to fill your application forms. Even your product is not ready now, at least if you have the guts that I can make it ready at least first week of August, first you fill the application form first. Okay. Then for a payment, I will tell Dr. Upul what to be done. So I will inform today or tomorrow. So just keep in touch with Dr. Upul. Then go to apicta.org and see what products they have done in the past on the world stage. And you come with your own thinking or your product. Even if you are not ready now, first year, second year, third year students, at least make it ready for next year. Prepare yourself. Those who are ready, now itself, you apply. I'm sure either my advice is if you have some difficulties this time, at least participate in the business and come with a proper prototype. Okay, and show your product going forward. I'm sure winning stage is not far away. You can win, and I'm sure you can bring colors to yourself and to your family, to the Peradeniya University, and to Sri Lanka going forward. So with that note, thank you so much, and all the very best, and have a great years ahead. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much, Kugan. Very informative session. So as you mentioned, they have exams from next week onwards for 2 weeks. So that's why we have lower number of participation. Anyway, so they can take few minutes and submit the application. Then they can focus on the examination. And after that, you have the evaluations on August, right, Kugan?
August first week or second week onwards.
Yeah. By that time, you don't have examinations. You can freely participate the evaluation. And also, they don't have to implement anything during this period because they already have the projects.
Okay.
They have already done the projects, most of them. So they don't.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. And what we can do is, if you have more than 10 or products, we will come to your university and we will evaluate and we will take the final 3 to the final stage. So we will come over there, and because otherwise all students to come to Colombo is not possible. Yeah. So if it's more than 20 or 25, we will come over there, doctor, really on one weekend.
Thank you very much. So students, please try to apply for this one. Take few minutes from your examination timetable, and after that you can concentrate on your examination. So Kugan, again, thank you very much for inspiring talk, and yeah, hope we can do many sessions in the future as well. Okay, sure. Thank you very much, and have a nice day then. Thank you.
And all the very best, students, and God bless you all for your exams. I'm sure you will do very well in your life as well. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.